Welcome to this Vendnet instructional video on how to install a coil coupler. When inspecting the coupler, you'll see a tab at the bottom with a ridge and a tab at the top with two ears. When inspecting the coil end, you'll find a hanging tail. This tail will be engaging one of the ears on the coil coupler. Begin by sliding the bottom of the coupler in between the last two turns on the coil opposite the tail of the coil. Then snap the opposite end of the coupler into the end of the coil with the tail to the left side of the tab and ear. Finish by pressing in slightly on the coupler and rotating it counterclockwise until the hanging tail of the coil snaps over the left ear. You've now successfully installed the coupler.